what you want to do is make sure that you understand the foundation of everything. You break it down and know, okay, well, this needs to be done, this needs to be taken care of. I need to make sure that this, that, and the third happens in this order, and if not in that order, you have to be flexible with it. So be able to to know that, okay, we have an envision of how everything is supposed to go and what we want it to look like. But when it's all said and done, you have to be flexible and be able to adjust, and put your business in a position to be able to grow. And in order to be able to grow, you have to be flexible. You have to be nimble. You have to be able to adjust. You have to pivot. Um, the 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 world is changing. The country is changing. The expectations of what we need, what we don't need, is changing every single day. And you have to be able to adjust and adapt